Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to Level Up English, your bridge to real English. I'm Nora.
And I'm Leo. Let's go. Nora, how did you get here today?
Uber, like always. I opened the app, requested a ride, and boom! 5 minutes later, I was in the car.
I biked. 12 minutes. Fresh air, free.
Okay, Mr. Eco-Friendly, not everyone wants to show up sweaty.
I don't sweat. I glow.
Sure you do. Anyway, that is today's episode. Transportation in English. Buses, trains, cars, bikes, ride-sharing apps, subways, all of it. Because getting around is something you do every single day, and you need the right words for it.
And just like everything else, Nora and I do this completely differently. She's the Uber and car girl. I'm the bike and subway guy. So you're gonna learn vocabulary from both sides.
2 lifestyles, 1 episode. Let's move.
Okay, let's start with public transportation, buses and trains, because billions of people use these every day.
First, taking the bus. I take the bus to work. Take is the verb we use for public transport. I take the bus. I take the train. I take the subway. Always take.
Take the bus, not go by the bus or ride the bus in a general sense. I take the bus every morning. She takes the train to school. Simple and clean.
Now, at the bus stop. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center? If you caught our travel episode, you know this structure. But here's the daily life version. Which bus goes to Oak Street? How often does the 42 come? How often means what's the frequency? How often does the bus come? Every 10 minutes? Every 15 minutes?
How often does it come? Super practical. And here's one. I just missed the bus. Missed means it left right before you got there. I missed the bus by like 30 seconds. The most frustrating sentence in any language.
I missed the bus. We've all been there. And the opposite, I made it just in time. Just in time means you arrived at the last possible second. I ran to the stop and made it just in time. The doors were about to close, but I made it just in time.
Just in time, the best feeling ever. Now, on the bus or train. Is this seat free? Or is anyone sitting here? Both work. Is this seat free? Yeah, go ahead. Easy.
And you need to know your stop. What stop do I get off at for the museum? Get off means to leave the bus or train. I get off at the 3rd stop. Don't forget to get off at Central Station.
Get off at. Very important. And the opposite, get on. I get on at Main Street and get off at Park Avenue. Get on equals enter the vehicle. Get off equals leave the vehicle. These work for buses, trains, and subways.
And if the bus or train is full, it's packed. The morning train is always packed. Remember packed from our work life episode? Same word. Packed schedule, packed train. Full, no space.
And when it's packed, you might need, excuse me, coming through. Coming through means you need to move through a crowd to get to the door. Excuse me, coming through. This is my stop.
Coming through. Say it with confidence. Nobody's gonna move if you whisper it.
Now, the subway. Subway in American English, underground or tube in British English. Same thing, different names.
To enter, you usually need to tap or swipe your card. Tap your card on the reader. Swipe your card at the gate. Tap is for contactless cards. You just touch it. Swipe is for cards you slide through a slot. Most cities are moving to tap now.
Tap in when you enter, tap out when you leave. Some systems charge you based on the distance you travel, so if you forget to tap out, you might get charged the maximum fare. Fare is the price of the ride. What's the fare to downtown? The fare is $2.
Fare, that's the word for the cost of any public transport ride. Bus fare, train fare, taxi fare. Good word to know.
In the subway, you need to know lines and transfers. Take the blue line to Central, then transfer to the red line. A transfer means switching from one line to another. Do I need to transfer? Where do I transfer? Transfer, key word. Transfer at main station to line 3. And here's a useful one. Which platform? Platform is where you stand and wait for the train. The train to downtown leaves from platform 2.
Which platform? Always check. Going to the wrong platform means getting on the wrong train. Not fun.
And all of this, which bus, how often, get on, get off, transfer, platform, you understand all of it right now. But picture yourself in a foreign city, standing in a busy subway station with signs you barely understand, and someone says, take line 4, transfer at Riverside, platform B. Could you follow that instantly? Could you ask, wait, which platform, without hesitating?
That moment, confused, rushed, people pushing past you, that's when you need these phrases to come out fast, not after thinking for 10 seconds. And that's what From Stuck to Fluent practices. Real situations where speed matters. 30 days of building that instant response.
QR codes on screen, links in the pinned comment. 500 everyday phrases bonus, limited time.
Okay, now my world. Cars and ride sharing.
Uber girl, go.
First, ride-sharing apps. I'll just get an Uber. Get an Uber or call an Uber, both work. Should we get an Uber? Let me call an Uber. The Uber is 3 minutes away.
And when you're sharing the ride info, I'm sending you my ETA. ETA means estimated time of arrival, when you'll get there. My ETA is 15 minutes. What's your ETA? People use this for any transportation, not just ride sharing.
ETA, super useful in texts and messages. Running late, ETA 20 minutes. Done. And when the ride arrives, are you my Uber? I'm looking for a white Toyota. Can you drop me off at the corner? Drop off means the place where you get out.
Drop me off at, that's the key phrase. Can you drop me off at the entrance? Drop me off on the other side of the street. And the opposite, pick up. Where should I pick you up? The pickup point is at gate 3.
Pick up and drop off. You'll hear these everywhere. I'll pick you up at 7. My mom drops me off at school. Not just for Ubers, for anyone driving you somewhere.
Now, driving. I drive to work. I usually drive. I'm stuck in traffic. Stuck in traffic, the nightmare of every driver. I'm stuck in traffic means you can't move because there are too many cars.
Stuck in traffic. Ugh, the worst text to send. Sorry I'm late, stuck in traffic. And when the traffic starts moving again, traffic is clearing up. Clearing up means it's getting better. We were stuck for 20 minutes, but it's clearing up now.
Clearing up? Same phrase we use for weather, right? The rain is clearing up. Traffic is clearing up. English loves recycling phrases.
And parking. Is there parking nearby? I can't find parking. I found a spot. A spot is a parking space. There's a spot right there. Someone just took my spot. The angriest sentence in driving.
Ha! Someone took my spot. Road rage in 5 words. And one more. I need to fill up. Fill up means to put gas in your car. We need to fill up before the highway. Where's the nearest gas station?
Fill up or get gas. I need to get gas. Same thing. Let's stop and get gas.
Okay, now my favorite, biking.
Of course.
I ride my bike to work. Ride, that's the verb for bikes and motorcycles. I ride everywhere. She rides her bike to school. And you need a few safety words. Helmet. Always wear a helmet. Bike lane. A lane on the road just for bikes. Stay in the bike lane. This city has great bike lanes.
Bike lane. That makes such a difference. Cities with good bike lanes are way safer for riders.
And in a lot of cities now, bike sharing. You can rent a bike from the bike sharing station. You scan a code, grab a bike, ride, and drop it off at another station. E-bike is also everywhere now. Electric bikes. I rented an e-bike and it was so much easier going uphill.
Bike sharing is huge now. Have you tried the bike sharing here? And Leo, what do you say when it's raining?
I take the subway. Even I have limits.
Ha, smart. And there's one more option we should cover, walking. It's within walking distance. Remember that from our travel episode? The office is within walking distance. I walk to work when the weather is nice.
And I go on foot. On foot means walking. How do you get there? On foot. It's only 10 minutes. Slightly more formal than I walk there, but both work.
All right, let's hear how all of this sounds in a real conversation. Leo, someone asks you, how do you usually get around?
Get around. Great phrase. Get around means how you move through your city. How do you get around? I mostly ride my bike, but when it rains, I take the subway. And sometimes my friend picks me up.
I get around by car mostly. I drive to work, but when traffic is bad, I'll just get an Uber. And on weekends, I walk everywhere. My neighborhood is pretty walkable.
Walkable. Nice word. A walkable neighborhood means everything is close enough to walk to. This area is super walkable.
Love that word. Okay, comment challenge. Tell us, how do you get around? Describe your daily transportation using phrases from today. Like, I take the bus to work every morning. It comes every 15 minutes. Sometimes it's packed and I have to say, "Excuse me, coming through," to get off at my stop. Show us your routine.
And tell us, what's the worst transportation experience you've ever had? Missed the bus? Stuck in traffic for hours? We want the stories.
We read everything. If this episode helped you, subscribe. Hit that bell.
Like button, share button. Send this to someone who takes the bus every day.
Or someone who's always stuck in traffic.
All right, however you're getting around today, do it in English. Name the things you see, practice in your head. I'm getting on the bus. It's packed. I'm getting off at the next stop.
See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye everyone, keep leveling up and don't miss your bus.